This eggplant and egg recipe is so good you'll wonder why no one told you. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. Start by chopping the eggplant and then beating in a few eggs. You will be surprised with this recipe. No steaming, no boiling, no baking required. I believe that many people have never tried this unique dish. Here, I used 2 freshly picked purple eggplants. The method is extremely simple. Even those who are new to the kitchen can easily do it. When finished, the dish has a beautiful golden color mixed with the natural sweetness of the eggplant, making you want to eat it forever. Every time I serve this dish, it's always the first thing to disappear. If you're curious, watch the video for the full recipe. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, prepare the eggplant. Place them in a large pot. Add a pinch of salt. Add a little baking soda. Then add enough water to cover the eggplant. Stir well until salt and baking soda dissolve. Baking soda helps loosen dirt, remove chemicals and some pesticides on the skin. Salt water helps kill bacteria and some parasites. This combination helps to clean the surface effectively. Soak the eggplant for 10 minutes, but not too long, as this can soften the vegetable and cause it to lose nutrients. After soaking, gently rub the shell to clean. Even though eggplant skin looks smooth, you should still be careful when washing it, especially the stem. It has sharp little spines that can prick your hand if you are not careful. Then, rinse thoroughly with water to remove salt and baking soda. Now the eggplant is clean and safe to eat. Next, remove the stems. Not only are they prickly, but they are also tough. Removing the stems will help keep the dish tender and fresh. Now slice the eggplant. Cut into thin rounds, about the thickness of a coin. This helps to make the pieces even when cutting later. It helps to make the pieces of uniform length and thickness. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After slicing, cut into thin strips. Try to cut evenly so they cook evenly and have a smoother texture. Because it is rich in fiber, eggplant helps eliminate toxins and is beneficial for people with colon cancer. Place all the chopped eggplants in a large bowl. Next, prepare 3 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Then put the bowl aside. Now get some fresh shrimp. Simply chop them up. Fresh shrimp has a natural sweetness. When in a hot pan, it will give off an irresistible aroma, making you want to eat it right away. That sweetness blends wonderfully with the eggplant, creating a dish that is both delicious and nutritious. After chopping the shrimp, put it in a bowl. Next, take some washed and chopped green onions. Put chopped onions in a bowl. Now it's time to season. Add half a teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper. No other spices needed. Use chopsticks to stir the mixture in one direction until each eggplant piece is evenly coated with egg. Continue stirring until eggs are slightly foamy. Eggplant is a nutritious food containing many minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, sulfur, chlorine, iron, manganese, zinc, copper, and iodine, along with vitamins B1, B12, and PP. It is also rich in magnesium and calcium, along with vitamins A and C, which help improve bone structure and boost the immune system. Now add a little cornstarch and continue mixing. Cornstarch helps the egg mixture stick better to the eggplant, keeping it from breaking up while cooking and keeping its shape. It also gives the dish a slight crunch, adding flavor. Stir well and set aside. Now it's time to cook. Heat a pan over low heat. And add some cooking oil. Immediately add in the eggplant and egg mixture. Don't rush to cook over high heat. Spread evenly with a flat spatula or chopsticks and let it cook slowly so the egg sets gently. Because eggplant contains a lot of water, slow frying helps to drain the water, making the dish more delicious. Cook over low heat until the eggs have gone from runny to firm and the eggplant is tender. The water has almost evaporated. Also, because eggplant loses a lot of nutrients when cooked at high temperatures, it's best to cook it thoroughly over low heat. Cover and cook for about 2 minutes. Then open the lid and shake the pan back and forth. If the egg slides easily, the underside is cooked. Now flip to cook the other side. Prepare the pan lid. Turn the egg upside down on the lid. Then slide the egg back into the pan. This makes it easier to flip and prevents breakage. Use a spatula to gently press the edges down so that they cook evenly. Continue cooking slowly over low heat until the other side is cooked through. Since the fire tends to be concentrated in the middle, shake the pan to avoid burning in the middle. Once the underside is cooked, shake the pan gently. Fry over low heat until both sides are golden brown and fragrant. The whole kitchen will be filled with the aroma. Prepare a plate and then turn it upside down. Eggplant omelet is ready, a big golden cake. It looks delicious already. Look at this dish. Golden egg pieces wrapped around deep purple eggplant strips topped with pink shrimp. Just looking at it will make your mouth water. Cut into bite-sized pieces. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pick up a piece. Plump prawns, soft egg, smooth eggplant, all wrapped in a fragrant egg with crispy edges. Try a piece. The outside is slightly crispy, the inside is soft and fragrant. The flavor is perfectly balanced, not greasy at all. This dish is suitable for all ages, so don't always stir-fry eggplant. Try this omelet instead. Both nutritious and delicious, even the picky eater in your house will love it. This is the end of the video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you found the video interesting, please like it. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.